Welcome back to Teacher B. Can you crack this circle puzzle in seconds? Only sharp thinkers get this one right. Let's go. Solution. In the question, we were given that our angle QOS is 6x plus 24 degrees. So, angle QOX equal to 6x plus 24 degrees, and also angle QRX is given to be 5x degree. Angle QRX equal to 5x degree. And the question says we should find angle QPS. QPS. And O is given as the center of the circle. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are summed up to 180 degrees. And in this diagram, our QRX and QPX are opposite angles. So their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So angle QRX plus angle QPX equal to 180 degrees. Our angle QRX is 5x. 5x plus angle QPX equal to 180 degrees. So angle QPX equal to 180 degrees minus 5x. Because if we transpose 5x to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative, and we are going to have this. Next, let us find the value of our x so that we can determine the value of angle QPX. In this diagram, you will see that our angle QPX and angle QOX both are standing on arc XQ, and our angle QOX is the angle at the center, whereas our angle QPX is the angle at the circumference. And angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. That means mathematically we can say that angle QOX equal to 2 multiplied by angle QPX. So let us substitute the values into this equation. Our angle QOS is 6x plus 24. 6x plus 24 equal to 2 brackets 180 degree minus 5x. 180 minus 5x. Let us solve this equation. 6x plus 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 180. We have 360 minus 2 multiplied by 5x. We have 10x. Let us collect like terms. 6x, and if you bring minus 10x to the left hand side, the negative will change to positive, plus 10x equal to 360, and let us bring 24 to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. Minus 24. So 6x plus 10x will give us 16x, equal to 360 minus 24 is going to give us 336. To calculate the value of x, let us divide both sides by 16. 16x divided by 16 equal to 336 divided by 16. 16x divided by 16 will give us x equal to 21. Now, since we have determined the value of our x to be 21, so let us substitute it into this equation to determine the angle QPX. So, angle QPX equal to 180 minus 5 times 21. Angle QPX equal to 180 minus 5 times 21 is 105. 105. So angle QPX equal to 180 minus 105 will give us 75 degree. So the correct option is A. Did you get it right or almost there? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing geometry challenges. Thank you.